it's Christmas time, every house in the neighborhood had their turkeys ready for the Christmas dinner, apart from one house. Everybody has their Christmas turkeys apart from me. I should probably check the fridge. Now, if you're wondering why I don't want to open the fridge, it's because long ago, there was the Halloween party. So there was this guy at the Halloween party at my house where he thought it was a good idea to jump in the fridge. But, well, the fridge door closed and heavy metal music started to play. And before you could even help him, my body just started dancing. So that's why I don't want to open it. But there's also no shops in the neighborhood or anywhere near here that is opened, so I'm gonna have to go to the real world. Oh, didn't think I'd be seeing here again. Oh, damn it, they have no more turkeys left. Hey guys, I found the last turkey. Wait, what? Where? Oh, you're talking about me. I should run now. Hey, an RC car. I can use this to get away. Wait, this thing won't stop. No! Well, that was a lot less exciting than I thought it would be. Well, guess I found Christmas dinner.
Hey, I'm gonna go get a drink. Okay, let's open it. Ah!